How relaxing is this? So I decided to come for a walk, and this is so relaxing. It is just seeing the water and seeing this duck swimming. It is very joyful. So I like to take time and then just kind of go for walks and enjoy nature. This is what life is all about. I hope that y'all are enjoying this video. As much as I'm enjoying it too. Haven't seen these dragonflies for a while, but it's just so peaceful. So just an encouragement to take time and enjoy nature. Thank you for watching the videos that I'm bringing to you. They bring me so much joy, and I hope it brings you joy as well. We'll see you all soon.